What does it mean to try and listen to a vanishing sound? To draw up plans and go to hidden places in the hope of finding something that can't be seen? Sometimes listening is about desire, and sometimes it is about hope. When the nightingale sings, it is for both of these reasons. A song unlike any they've sung before or will again, to try and bring another bird down from the sky. We are not birds, and we were not flying, but we still wanted to try and hear it. And so we drove to the woods and hopped the gates and searched the paths for the right kind of trees. And we wait. We lie under the redwood, the big one, where one of the 2 male nightingales in this whole wood has been heard this spring. When you are the only people in a wood full of birds, life begins to sound different. The sky turns. The sun wanes. The dusk chorus is coming. We don't know if we will hear the nightingales sing. All we can do is desire and hope and wait. And this in itself can be quite a lovely, longing thing. The trees change shape and colour as the light does. What does life sound like when we stop? What does life sound like when the birdsong stops? Or when it starts and it's alien and familiar at the same time? A song that never existed before, a song that will never exist again, a new, unique song, just for that moment. How lucky we are to hear it.